Hello everyone, I am May and today I will be restoring this old muddy car that has not moved in this year. Let's bring it to back to life. It's completely covered in the layers of mud and dust. The body is rusty and the tires are flat, but I see potential in it. Let's bring it to my workshop where we can restore it. Finally, we are in workshop. It's important to remove every trace of dirt before the real work begins. Removing the dust is time-consuming but necessary. I also replaced a few damaged panels and fixed the underbody. I choose a fresh modern color for every part to give this car a whole new look. Each layer of paint adds new life. to the car, and it is time to wash the car. From a muddy wreck to shining classic, this car is ready to hit the road again. Thank you for watching. Please